Hi again. Here is the fastest, simplest way to paint the edges of your canvas black. I have always painted the edges of my canvas black after I finished the painting. I got to thinking, a dangerous thing to do, and I had a stupefying glimpse of the obvious. Why not stack the panels or stretch canvases one on top of the other and paint all of them black at the same time? You can buy an aerosol can of black paint for about $6 and spray all edges at the same time. It is so easy. Again, upon further thinking, I thought, why not stagger the edges and get a black edge and a face edge at the same time? Having done this in 2 stages and letting the panels or canvases dry, I did a light sanding on all of the edges and faces and applied a second coat of the black paint. I now have a choice of painting directly on the face or mounting watercolor or canvas on the panel, and even leave some of the black showing along the face edge that looks like a black floating frame. This was so easy. I can tell you this idea is going to save you a lot of money. Many thanks for watching. It would be great if you'd hit the subscribe button and give me a thumbs up. Share this video with a friend. And don't forget to hit the bell and get notice of the latest uploaded videos. I will look forward to your comments. Have a great day and keep on painting.